The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. XRP, we're gonna talk about XRP right now. I hope that that's interesting for you. It's breaking out. It had some kind of a nice formation. We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna see what's actually happening. But we also call this in the Telegram group. So if you want to join our Telegram group, check it down below. It's nice and cozy, not that many people yet, so be sure to check that out. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening to XRP. So let's start by looking at some very annoying lines over here. So we're gonna go to the daily and we're gonna see what we are happening. So first of all, I'm gonna explain what this is. First of all, we can remove these two lines just to make it nice and readable. So basically, when the price was down here, it broke out of some kind of triangle up here, and we had this yellow area, entire area full of resistances that we have to get out of. And the last resistance was right now at actually it was up here at 1.02 that we broke very heavily, and we got above it. And on the way up, we had this these two other resistance at 1.09 and stuff like that. But we broke literally, we are out of all of the resistance area. So I said when we start when we get into this resistance area over here, it's gonna be hard to get out of it. We're gonna have some zigzag motion that we did have. You can say zigzag, right? And now we are getting out of the resistance area, and that's very bullish. I'm gonna show you where the targets are and stuff like that. But right now it's looking very, very nice. So what we're gonna do is because we don't need this resistance area over here anymore, this is mostly done. Before we do that, I'm just gonna show you how nicely this resistance area played out. So basically, we went up on these two candles all the way up there, could not hold it, went back down to this resistance down here, tried to break the top over here, could not, got support on the top over here, and once we got support on top here, we actually broke out. So it played out nicely. Some resistances held, other weren't that important. You can see also on the 1 hourly chart how this played out more nicely, but I did this once before. I want to go in it again. You can see here that once we broke down here, we are slowly climbing above this these two resistances. Once they're broken, we got to the next, got to support on this one down here, and over here we got pump and got above the all-time high here, and now we are pumping really nicely. So that said, we're gonna remove it because it's just annoying to look at this many lines. So give me a second to remove this like this, and these are also broken. So 1.9 is broken. So what's happening now, and how we gonna get to these levels up here? So this is 19273.535 is the all-time high. That's the week. We are not counting the week. This is the monthly close and weekly close, or monthly and weekly. I know this is monthly close, this is weekly close, and this is the week close on all-time high, and these are the levels we actually want to go. So I'm saying next level is at 1.7, and I said that once we broke this resistance down here, there is actually no resistance between these two parts. There is no resistance between in here. This is empty space. So I think this is gonna go very fast all the way up here, but first target should be around 128 around here, and I'm gonna show you why we are going for the first target. So basically, if you zoom in into 1 hourly chart and we look at this, there was a very nice pattern forming over here once we got into this area. First of all, there was this nice trend line going on right here. Right here, there was this nice trend line going on. This one, no, this one, right. Yeah, it must have been this one over here. Yeah, it was this trend line going over here, right? It hit it here, tried to break it here, could not, went down, tried to hit it, almost couldn't, there, hit it on the dollar, second on the dollar, and once we broke that, we went up. So what this happened, it created a pattern called cup and handle. This is a cup, this handle. You gotta keep it like cup and a handle, like a cup, you know, you see, cup and handle, right? This is a cup and handle, this is the handle, right? Handle. I'm professional at drawing. Look at me. Yeah, so this is a cup and handle pattern, and usually these cup and handle are very bullish patterns. So how this is calculated by how much is gonna break out, you take the top over here to the bottom. We're not gonna use this bottom, we're gonna use this bottom over here, but from the bottom to the top of the cup, right? And then you move that extended from the breakout point, that's around here. So the target should be around 130. Okay, it was was 128 yesterday when I did it, but this is not the target. So it's in the ballpark area at 130 right over here, and that's where we should be aiming at, 130. So this move should go all the way up to the 130 before it gets some kind of a consolidation, before it actually tries to make next move all the way up to the 1.97 or 2 move. So this is actually playing very nicely right now, and this it doesn't have to hit on 130 on the dollar. It can just hit in this box over here somewhere like that. That doesn't matter, because once things starts coming to some kind of target, there will be people starting to pre-sell prematurely, or trying to pump or stuff like that. So whether the wick hits the target on the dollar or not, it doesn't actually matter that much, but it should be in the target area of 130, maybe 125, 26, maybe even a little bit above, but it should do something like maybe try like some move is gonna be made. It's not gonna be that maybe much, maybe only small move or something like that, but 130 is the first target that needs to be hit for us to go all the way up to 19. And I'm telling you guys, between let me zoom in a little bit, between this 130 line that we are our next resistance is, and the 197 line, there is no resistance. It's an empty space. An empty space means usually this is gonna go very fast up, all the way up to the 197, very fast. That's what I'm thinking. That's gonna go very fast. That's like 50%. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be in 1 day. I don't think it's gonna take more than one day, maybe 2 days. 1 day. It's gonna be very fast. So I think first move 130, then second move 197, and that's gonna be it for this, because there is literally no resistance. And on daily, maybe on the daily there are some targets like over here at 158, it might stop, but weekly resistances are the ones that are actually very important, and right now those are the resistances. So you see how we have this nice cup and handle that's playing out, and now that's the target. Let me just quickly look at this, because I haven't seen this that much. If there's something over here, because I think I see something. Yeah, there's something here. There's definitely some kind of resistance up here, this ballpark area. Maybe something like this going down here. It should go like something like this. Let me see. But that might actually already that might be a reason that, yeah, I think we are actually breaking this. Let me do this more exactly. Now you are looking at live technical analysis, how people are doing technical analysis live, how I'm doing my stuff, and you can see here this doesn't actually work. Does this work? Maybe this works, but it's not hitting exactly. It's I think this line is actually quite broken because we are above it, stuff like that. Also there is this wick that's being hit, so this line might actually be nice. Anyways, what we are looking now, it's the 1-3 target, it's the 197, the 1-3 first, 197 afterwards. I hope you like the analysis. I hope you like this. If you like altcoins, if you want to see more of stuff that's gonna pump and not just on our Telegram channel, but we got Patreon where we do daily altcoins video. We do like 30-40 coins. We see what's ready to pump, what's not. So if that's your thing, if you like altcoins, if you are trading and stuff like that, you might want to check that out. It might be something for you. I'm not saying it is. It might be something for you. So do check it out. Check the Patreon page and see if that's something for you. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. If you want to see updates on XRP, we do updates a lot, or other coins. Also like the video, because YouTube algorithm, I'm saying, well, the YouTube algorithm, it likes the likes. I don't know why, it likes the likes. Thanks for watching, see you around, bye bye.